Going to Quarteira? Then you should definitely rent a car. Let me show you how. Hello and welcome to this video. I will show you how to get the best price for hiring a car in Quarteira, and it is much easier than you think. So first of all, I suggest you to visit to Obtaining and to read some tips and tricks about this destination, just to learn more, like where you can find parking, where are the best spots to visit, and maybe you'll find some top services, also some locations that you can drive with the car you will rent, and so on. So after that, you can just click rent a car now, and by doing that you will be redirected to Discover Cars, which is a very good site to compare the pricing for all the car rental companies that you can find in that location. We can try and look what you can get, and let's pick, for example, April 1 to April 8. So we get the full week and we can see how much it will cost. So you can see that the prices are quite ridiculous. It's starting from 107 euro for 7 days, and it's really amazing when you think about it, because the cars are usually new, and yeah, it costs only that much. However, I would highly suggest you to go with automatic transmission, then your driving experience would be even much more relaxed, unless you are very experienced with manual. So once you choose, the prices goes up a bit, but still, like, you can get a compact SUV and like travel around Portugal with such a nice car. So let's try. You just click view, and then it's pretty straightforward. You just get the address where you will pick up the car. Also, you choose your full coverage if you want. I highly suggest to get that one, because if the car is damaged or stolen, you could lose this entire deposit, but as long as you've got the full coverage by Discover Cars, they can refund you up to 3,000 euro, and that's only 64 euro for 7 days. So if you want to take the risks, you can disable it, but usually I recommend to have this just for the peace of mind. And after that, you'll see the full price without any more surprises, which is 330 euro. And the good thing is that you're not gonna even feel it, because you pay now only 80 euro, and the rest of that you'll pay at the pickup. So if you change your mind, you also got free cancellation before March 30, which is really good, because sometimes plans changes, sometimes flights got delayed or cancelled. So it's very nice to have such an option to have the least risk possible. So after that, you just book now once you enter the details, and you'll have a voucher, and then you just wait for your travel. After some days you will get a few reminders that you have a car rented there, and when you pick up, you'll have to take the car, take some pictures, and so on. I will show you just in a second what you should do. I will take an example from my previous trip to Madeira. It's exactly the same process, even compared to this location. So, but before that, I also want you to check some other options where you can rent a car, so it's not only attached to one website. For example, you can also try rental cars, and you can put the same location, Quarteira, at the same dates, and you will see the prices. So you can choose the best one. However, I highly recommend to go with Discover Cars because in my opinion it's much easier, and even though it may look more expensive on the first sight, it's still at the end of the day it's still a very similar price once you add all the insurances and everything, and you get a highly professional communication and the feeling that you always have something behind your back, which is really nice. However, you can also try this website. You can try to pick automatic, and here you go. You have some options. You have Jeeps, you have sedans, and everything else you could have. So just decide whatever you want to go with and just rent the car. Also, I suggest you to check Google Maps because you can check manually all the locations. For example, there are some nice local companies that rent the car. Usually they are more expensive, but if you like the quality and attention to details, this is what you can choose. However, I highly suggest to just follow the link to Discover Cars because they already compare all these car rentals and you have the best price with free cancellation, which is amazing. Take the voucher with you or download it and go to the car rental company. Before picking up your car, make pictures, make videos, just to be safe and have proof that you didn't make scratches or any bumps. Also, some things to know: for the best price you have to have experience of 1 or 2 years, and also if you need a child seat you have to pay extra. And of course, no alcohol behind the wheel. So that's pretty much it. Have fun in Portugal and thanks for watching.